Hello and welcome to another exciting video on basic learning with SS. Hope all are doing good. And in this video we are going to discuss the use of semicolon. If you will watch the complete video, you will definitely understand its usage. First, we will discuss what is a semicolon. The semicolon is a punctuation mark used to link closely related ideas. It is stronger than a comma but weaker than a period. Let's discuss its uses. We use a semicolon to join two independent clauses without a conjunction. When two independent clauses means complete thoughts, they can stand on itself to convey a complete meaning. Are closely related, we use semicolon to link them. For example, I have a meeting today, comma, it starts at 3 p.m. It's not correct according to punctuation rule. So the correct one is I have a meeting today, semicolon, it starts at 3 p.m. Now why it works? Both parts are independent and they can stand on itself to convey meaning. So semicolon connects them to show a close relationship. Come to the next use of semicolon. We use semicolon to join two independent clauses with a conjunctive adverb like however, therefore, consequently, etc. We use conjunctive adverb to link two independent clauses and a semicolon comes before the adverb. Always it will come before the adverb and a comma will follow it. For example, the weather was terrible, semicolon. However, comma, we still went hiking. She didn't study for the exam, semicolon. Consequently, comma, she didn't pass. So why it works here? Because it separates two independent clauses and the conjunctive adverb shows the relationship between them. The next use of comma. We use semicolon to separate items in a complex list. And a semicolon separates item in a list when they contain commas. Removes confusion. For example, we visited Paris, comma, France, semicolon, Berlin, comma, Germany, semicolon, and Rome, comma, Italy. Why it works? The semicolon acts as a super comma to clarify the meaning and deviation between items. Here's a quiz at the end of video. If you have any query, do comment below. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.